Hello to my favorite physics people. So here we are, week 5, Hexter 5, physics. Here's our upcoming week, starting with a video, actually the video update question. Yeah, that'll be right after this video. So I'll reveal that question at the end here. Then we'll get into week 5 discussion, another observational activity. Go to this observation link, follow the directions. Do not read the questions before observing the picture. That's no fun. And when you go to this site, click on this tab, Week 5 Discussion. Here we go. There's an observation link. Click on that. Okay. And follow the directions from there. All right. Then just give us your results in the discussion post of how you did on this week's observational activity. It doesn't matter how well you did. If you got them all right or if you didn't, what matters is that you do your discussion post and that you're improving your observational skills with each one of these that you do. You'll be ready to be a detective pretty soon. All right, let's go back to next activity, refraction activity, log into FOSS-Web like it says here. Select class student login, username is catch-a-wave, password is big waves, and just follow that refraction activity and its directions. It's pretty straightforward, it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. The assignment is built right into the activity, so nothing you need to submit. Physics and color video. Okay, so you just watch that video on physics and color. More electromagnetic spectrum things. Here's a link to NASA again, right here. You got to hit the link, do the reading. This is just a visual for you to see what an electromagnetic spectrum looks like. So do this reading. Then there's a short quiz that follows. It's only, I think, 5 questions. Then here's the good news. That's it for the week. However, I moved the vocabulary assignment to this week so that you would be able to start on that if you haven't, or finish it if you have started. And it's right here. Here's the directions. Here's the words. Hopefully you've been working on this and you're not going to have to try to cram it all in this week. But you do have a lot of time this week to get it done, because I shortened up the assignments a little bit. So 30 where you just copy down the term and the definition, 30 where you use the word or term in a sentence, and the balance, do a diagram or illustration of the word. That's it for the week, folks. The discussion question, the video update question that immediately follows will be, what does NASA stand for? NASA. And that's the National Aeronautic and Space Administration. You can look it up. I don't expect you that you're necessarily going to remember what I just said, but you will remember NASA, NASA. What does NASA stand for? And it's the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. No points off for bad spelling. Okay, there you go, folks. Have a great week.